Hey guys, so here's a full day of eating. Today, this is meal number 1. I have 4 egg whites and I have 1/3 cup of oats, and I put some stevia and cinnamon in that. So this is meal number 1, and I'm going to take my supplements, my B vitamin, my C vitamin, my collagen, a big glass of water, and that is meal number 1. See you in 2.5 hours. So meal number 2 is such a great salad, I call it. It's got beans and green beans and chicken and avocado and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you how I make that now. And this will be meal number 2. Okay guys, I hope you can see this. I'm going to try to prepare it here for you. So in my container, I have 1/4 cup of frozen yellow sweet corn, and I buy this at ShopRite, Trader Joe's, doesn't matter. Then I have, I usually use frozen. I prefer it because of the salt content, but today I'm out of it, and I have always a can of green beans, and if you can see here, it says no salt added. So I'm gonna put in a full cup of beans to my corn. And then I have organic black beans from Trader Joe's. This is 130 grams. That goes into my salad. And then I have 4 ounces of cooked chicken meat, chicken breast, nice and soft. So 4 ounces goes into the salad. And then I have an avocado, and I have to measure out 2 ounces of that. So I'm gonna do that. And then this is a cheese, let me move my scale out of the way. This is a cheese substitute. It's called Daya. Basically, it's mozzarella shreds, but it's vegan, so I'm not getting the dairy that makes me bloated and stalls any kind of anything because of all the inflammation that dairy provides. So this tastes just like mozz, but it's made out of vegetables. So I just take just a little pinch of this. If I can open it, that would be helpful. I literally just take a pinch and I sprinkle it on top. And I am going to cut this avocado, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to take my food scale here, put this on top, get it to 0 ounces, and I'm going to weigh out 2 ounces of avocado. These little avocados are from Trader Joe's. Once again, they're little minis because I don't like to waste, and avocado is really tricky to keep to the next day. So I buy these little ones because they usually come out to be just about 2 ounces. So half an avocado right now is 1 ounce, and I'm gonna do the other side, and that should give me my 2 ounces. So let's see, almost at 2. Okay, there's 2 ounces. So as you can see, this is a lot of food, guys, but it's so good for you, and it's all natural. And just to jazz it up, I'm going to show you what I put on top. Don't laugh. This stuff has saved me so much. It's the non-sugar added ketchup. So here we go. I am gonna squirt this. Let me see if it's open. Hold on. I gotta open it. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of this on top. Sorry for the sound effect. So here we go, guys. Meal number 2, right there. This is powerful superfood. This stuff will keep you in really good shape for building muscle because we have the lean chicken, the beans for fiber, and a little bit of carb, also some protein in there. The avocado for the good fat, and the green beans for fiber again. Yeah, so I'm gonna go enjoy this big ass bowl of food, and I'll see you for meal number 3. All right guys, so heading out for a hike. This is meal number 3, and I'm gonna show you how I put this together. So in the container, I have 4 ounces of ground bison that I cooked myself. And I'm going to be adding half a cup of jasmine rice, which comes out to 71 grams. 71 grams. So I'm going to zero this out. So 71 grams. That's the focus. Good carbohydrates going in. So let's keep our eye open for 71. Oop, very hot because I literally just cooked it. This bag gets hot. Holy smokes, guys. Hold on one second. I'm sorry about the bad camera angle. So we're at 47. We got to get to 71. That's 77, so we're going to take some out. 73. 70. Still 70. 73 again. Oh my God, seriously. All right, 71 grams. So we have 71 grams of jasmine rice, 4 ounces of bison. Then we're going to add some baby spinach, about a cup worth of that. So I just do a giant handful because it weathers down because the food inside this container is hot. So there's my cup or so of spinach, maybe a little more to that. And then I always love to top my bison off with this stuff. This is the sugar-free, this is by G. Hughes, the smokehouse barbecue sauce and the honey flavored. I just drizzle some of this on top. So hold on while I get that open. So I'm gonna pour in, I'll show you the amount. Probably about 2 tablespoons worth. There we go. No, maybe not even. And then I'm just going to cover it with the lid and take it on the hike. That is meal number 3. So the next meal, which technically would be considered meal number 4, is 4 ounces of lean ground turkey. And I have 1 cup of green beans and just a couple of roasted, not roasted, just cut up sliced different colored peppers. They come frozen in a bag from Trader Joe's. And so that I have some extra healthy fat, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And I usually add this on top of my veggies. And these green beans are fresh, again from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to stir this up and I'm just going to put it in the microwave oven for probably about a minute or so just to warm it up. So this is meal number 4, and as you can see, the carbs are limited to veggies. At my last meal I had the half a cup of rice, and that was before a hike. So that has been used up, and today was a rest day, so I did not go to the gym. So again, the carbs are tapering off as the day progresses. So I'll see you at my next meal. Alright guys, so last meal of the day is just 1 can of the low sodium solid white albacore tuna in water. I get this at Trader Joe's. It's got the lowest sodium count that I can find. Mixing this with Dijon mustard and some red, yellow, and green peppers. That is it for the day. So as you can see, I've had such a variety of whole foods, good foods, nutrition, dense foods, no junk. This is what a typical day in the life of me is right now while I'm training. And as I get closer to show date, calories will be going away and foods will be changing. So when that happens, I'll do another what I eat in a day video. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more fish incorporated and leaner cuts of meat, probably less carbohydrates, and that's pretty much what I can guess for now. So until then, enjoy this video, and just remember though guys, this is calories and foods literally for my training program, my height, my weight, my age, like everything is specific to myself. So while this is a good representation of what I eat in a day, doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna get you to your goal. So, but I wanted to share it with you because you guys ask all the time. That's what I'm eating, and that's pretty much it. So I am gonna go sign off. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.